Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Excel. If you don't have a TI-84 and you need to calculate the mean, median, mode, or you need to calculate the population variance, or you need to calculate the sample variance, or sample standard deviation, or the population standard deviation, and you don't have a TI-84, you can use Excel. Let's see how easy it is in Excel. Let's say, for instance, that we need to calculate the mean of the following data. I would suggest you start entering data in the row 2 and down to the column 8. So you can see that Excel has cells. Each cell has its address, A2, A3, B3, D2, and so on. So the column has a letter at the top and it continues to the right, and the row has number at the left. So I suggest you to keep the first row for the title. It will be convenient for us to understand what we're calculating, and start entering from the cell A2 down. So the data what I use today will be as following. So we will need to calculate the mean, and for that reason I will name this column mean, median, and mode. Then we can say sample standard deviation, sample variance, population standard deviation, and population variance. So we will see how to do it in Excel. When you do this, especially these four, standard deviation, variance for each sample or population, the book presents you with two options: either do by hand or use TI-84. But since in TN01 students often don't have TI-84, I'll show you how to do this, how to use Excel. So to calculate the mean, you have to put here, I will move a little bit higher so you can see, put here equal sign, and then you have to insert, and here you have to insert formulas, insert function. So how to insert function? We need to calculate the mean. The mean in Excel is average. So we will calculate average. And then you have to tell there over here in this window that I'm moving, what is the, where is the data basically. So it wants to calculate for data in cells A2, B2, but in B2 I don't have anything. So my data in cell A2, A3, A4, and so on. So up to A6. So this one I will change to A6. And then I will press OK, and the mean is calculated. So is that right? So can we check that? Absolutely. So we can, this is I do for you, not because you need to do every time when you use Excel, just for you to see that it does work correctly. 13 plus 23 plus 26 plus 17 plus 21, and we divide this by 5 because that's how you calculate the mean. So 5 numbers here. Alright, so we learned that the mean calculated correctly. Median. Median is the number in the middle and of the list, or the average of two numbers in the middle. Depends how many numbers you have in your data list. In this one, 5. So first you have to sort the numbers from lowest to highest value if you do by hand, and then you split the list in half, and then you will see either it's a single number or it's a and the average. So, but the step of sorting the list often forgotten by the students. Now we will use the uh, function, and we will go to median. I'm going to put median here. I can put median anywhere I want. If you don't like that be close to the top row, you can put here median and insert formulas. And now you insert functions. So we can find the median by typing here median. And we're going to, well, now we will calculate the mode. And again, you can place the result anywhere you want it, and just for us to see where it is, I place here under the mode. We type equal sign, and now we have to go to formulas, insert function, and since we're looking for the mode, let's try to find it. So mode is here. And we can use mode. Again, the cells that we're working with from A2 through A6. So we're going to correct here, and we're going to find the mode. The mode is the most frequent number that happen. So let's see what is happening here with all right, and let's see, find median. Median is the function. Again, we need to correct their cells that we're going to use to calculate median. It's from A2 through A6. So I calculate median, it's 21.